My name is Susan Sweeney, and my husband and I have spent our married life in Washington raising kids and working in the political environment, and he's now still working for an NGO that does election business. I'm retired, and my job was now building this house for the last 5 years, which has been a blast. Well, I knew I wanted to do solar panels on the house, and we sort of waited till the house was finished because it's been a stages kind of thing. And so I talked to a ton of people. And all of them said, well, we don't do that. And I talked to John, and he said, oh, we've done that. We've done that a bunch of times. And he came out and looked at it, and he said, oh, yeah, we have a lot of experience with this. And he did, and they did. And they came up with a really good plan, and they came up with a ballast system where heavy ballasts are put on, and the angle of the solar panels are not so high. They gave me a great presentation, they gave me a great price, and I was delighted. I knew I wanted solar panels as soon as we were able to do that next step. We'll have a, totally little off-the-grid house out here. We'll have our well, and we'll have our solar power, and we'll have our little cisterns, and we'll be kind of off the grid and sort of a house for the next century.